Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add fonts in Canva in two simple ways, whether you're using the free plan or Canva Pro. So let's dive right in. The first method works if you're using Canva Pro, and yeah, it's super straightforward. Just open Canva, head into your brand kit, and look for the section labeled Brand Fonts. You'll see a button that says Upload a Font. Click that, choose your font file, OTF or TTF, and Canva will ask if you have the license. Confirm it, and the font gets added instantly. The second method works for everyone, even if you're, on the free version. Open any design, select a text box, and open the font dropdown in the top bar. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see Upload a Font. Click it, pick your file, and it uploads right inside the editor without needing the brand kit page. Just a quick heads up. Canva free users can't upload custom fonts. You'll need Canva Pro for that. But there are still hundreds of built-in fonts you can use, so usually you'll find something pretty close. After the upload finishes, your new font shows up in the list like any other font. Just type something, select it, choose your new font, and you're good to go. It syncs across your designs automatically. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Two simple ways to add fonts in Canva. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.